How to get a player to commit. So you've been seeing this guy, but you know that he's a bit of a player. In other words, you're not the only woman in his life that said you really like them and want to make them commit to you and only you. How do you do it? Hey, ladies, today I want to cover a topic that comes up quite a bit, and that's how to get a player to commit to a relationship. Now, before we get into it, don't forget to check out my devotion system later on, which shows you how to get any guy obsessed with you almost instantly. Alright, let's get started. To begin, let's jump back to the word player. Urban Dictionary coins the term as a male who is skilled at manipulating others, especially at seducing women by pretending to care about them when in reality he's only interested in sex. So, how do you tie this guy down and make him commit to you? The secret is to meet his needs in a way that he can't on his own. Now, I know you're probably thinking that this sounds complicated, but when you get to the root of it, it's actually quite simple. Here's the thing, all men, regardless of whether they're in a committed relationship or sleeping with a different woman every night, have similar wants and needs like excitement, approval, and acceptance. I know it sounds strange, but think about it for a moment. A guy who's sleeping with a different woman every night is looking for the kind of exciting thrill, and enjoys the acceptance he feels of knowing that he can get so many different women. On the other hand, a man in a committed relationship stays happy when he still feels excited about growing together with his partner, and enjoys the acceptance he feels that his woman wants him. As you can see here, both men are trying to have the same needs met, but they're going about it differently. So in order to get a player to commit to you, you have to know how to meet his needs in a greater way than he'd be able to. In other words, you need to bring something to his life that other women can't, and when you do, he'll only want you. Once he does commit to you, it's important that you keep adding value to his life. It's crucial that you understand and fulfill his needs. For instance, things like keeping the chase alive between you and showing him that you appreciate him will keep him committed. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. If you really want to scratch past the surface and dig deep into the whys and hows of making a man commit himself to you 100%, go on and check this out right now. Click the link below. Thank you.